Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Orlando Pirates have parted ways with goalkeeper Melusi Buthelezi ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. Buthelezi, who's 28 years old, played only 22 games in the past 3 seasons, keeping 12 clean sheets, while conceding 14 goals in the process. He joined the Buccaneers in 2023 from TS Galaxy after a string of fine performances that caught the eye of the Buccaneers. He played second fiddle to Orlando Pirates number 1 Sipho Chain during his time at the club, and the club has now opted to part ways with the towering shot stopper. Here is a message from Orlando Pirates. It says, the club extends its sincere gratitude to Melusi Buthelezi for his professionalism, commitment, and contribution throughout his time with Orlando Pirates. We wish him every success in his next chapter of his career. Now, let me hear your thoughts. Are you happy with Orlando Pirates parting ways with Melusi Buthelezi? Even though he was not the number 1 shot stopper, he was a dependable number 2. Now, do you think that they made a good choice by letting him go? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And while we're still on the matter of goalkeepers, in other news, Mamelodi Sundowns have rejected loan inquiries for goalkeeper Ricardo Goss, with the club determined to keep him to cover for Ronwen Williams ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. The Bafana Bafana International is expected to report for Sundowns preseason camp in Austria next week, following his return from the FIFA World Cup in the Americas. Goss joined the Brazilians from the now defunct Bidvest Wits in 2020 and has spent majority of his Sundowns career away on loan. Most recently, he featured in Siwelele FC, a club established following the sale of SuperSport United. This is where he established himself as one of the league's most consistent goalkeepers yet again. Following Siwelele's announcement of departures of several senior players including Ricardo Goss, the goalkeeper returned to Chlorkop after the expiry of his loan. And there are several Betway Premiership clubs who have expressed their interest in taking Goss on another loan deal, rather than signing him permanently. But Mamelodi Sundowns are understood to have turned down those approaches. Goss will play an important role in a demanding campaign that will include domestic competitions, CAF Champions League, and making squad depth in the goalkeeping department a priority. Although he did not feature during the Bafana Bafana World Cup campaign, Goss remained a valuable member of Hugo Broos squad. His leadership and experience regarded as important within the dressing room, with Williams still expected to be Miguel Cardoso's first choice goalkeeper. Ricardo Goss will compete with Jody February, Denis Onyango, and Riyad Peterse for opportunities as Mamelodi Sundowns prepare for another busy season. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Ricardo Goss remaining at Mamelodi Sundowns and not going on loan? Do you think that it will be good for him? Because we know that majority of that time he will spend on the bench. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.